Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and telling you about some of the key features of the HP USB 3.1 flash drive 302M. It's written as the model. It says x302M. This is, as you can see, this is the 16 GB variant of the drive, and it says USB 3.1 type A plus micro B. So this is an OTG drive. On the other side there, once I open it up, I'll show that to you. Under this blue thing there would be an OTG connector. And as you can see, it works with your smartphone, tablet, and also your laptop. So this is basically a great thing if you want to transfer files. These could be music, photographs, videos, really quickly between your devices. So from a smartphone to a tablet, say from your laptop to your phone, you want to transfer stuff. This is something that's very handy and very useful. What else have we got on the back? Well, it gives some specifications. It's a USB 3.1 flash drive. It supports OTG, OS, Android 4.0 and above, Windows 8, Windows 10. It's OTG compatible with phone models. It says please do check the specifications. All right. What else can I tell you about the product? Some of the key features. Well, as I said, it's a steel design, so you can clearly see it's a steel design. You can store, share, and transfer music, videos, and more. It's an OTG flash drive, so you can easily transfer stuff from your phone onto your computers. This is great if you want to free up space on your phone, basically. So, you know, if your WhatsApp photographs, if your phone doesn't have a lot of space left, starts to go slow, this is a great device to actually take out. You can just dump all your photos, all your videos, all those WhatsApp content on here and just get it out. Okay, and then you'll free up your phone again. There is a strap, little tiny lanyard. You can put a strap on it, and you'll figure that whether they actually have the strap or not. So let's just go ahead and open this up. I'm just gonna cut it open. All right, cut it open. And this is the flash drive. That's the flash drive. There you go. Nice steel design, quite slim. You can put a little lanyard in through here, and on the reverse side, as you can see, is the OTG. It's a micro USB connector, so this will connect to phones which have a micro USB port, and that's on the reverse. Right, what else have you got? Apart from this, there's some standard. If you take this out, if you're actually bothered with it, they do give some other information in here about the product. So I'll just keep that off to the side. And there you have it, folks. So that was the unboxing and key features of the HP 3.1 flash drive, the 302M. It's a type A and a micro B, so it's an OTG flash drive. This is the 16 GB variant which we have here. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.